Hi, I'm Rap Juario, third year BS Respiratory Therapy under the School of Good Samaritan Colleges. Today we're gonna show you the procedure or return demo of breathing maneuver. There are four types of coughing maneuver. The first type is quadriplegic cough. The steps in doing this is first, place your hands on your abdomen, then take a deep breath, and then cough and throw your upper body forward. The second step is half coughing. The steps in doing this is first, take a deep breath, and then hold it for 3 seconds, and then cough forcefully but slowly. The third type of coughing maneuver is frog breathing, also called as glossopharyngeal breathing. All you have to do is say gulp or breathe like a frog. The fourth and last type of coughing maneuver is ACBT, which means active cycle breathing technique. Take a deep breath, hold it, cough. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, hold it, and then vibrate. Inhale, hold it, cough. Uh, Inhale, place your hands on your abdomen, and exhale slowly. Sir, all you have to do is breathe like a frog. Inhale, hand on the abdomen, exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your hands on your intercostal. Inhale deeply and slowly. And then exhale slightly wide through your mouth. First, place your hand in front of your face for about 2 feet. And then inhale slowly. And when you exhale, your breath has to reach your hand. Okay?